Hi, today we have a Citroen C-Elysée with a 1.6 HDI engine. I'm going to show you how to change the engine mounting, and also I'm going to explain why. When I start the engine and the engine is cold, it makes a vibration inside the vehicle, and we can hear it on the right side on the dashboard. I don't know if you can notice. That's why I'm going to change it. When the engine is warmed up, these vibrations are smaller, because then the engine mounting is warm up, and the vibrations are much lower. So we can see the engine mounting here. We have 3 bolts connected with the engine and 2 bolts connected with the chassis, and they are all with Torx 50. So first I'm going to raise the vehicle, and I'm going to support the engine. I have support the engine on the oil pan. Next I'm going to open these 5 bolts, and I can remove the rubber mounting. I've opened all the bolts. Now I'm going to open this cap from the coolant to release the pressure that is inside, and I'm going to try to slowly remove this plastic hose. Now I can pull it out, the mounting. Now the mounting was all the way down. This part was all the way down here, and that's why the rubber mounting didn't do its job, and it was transferring the vibrations of the engine on the chassis. So now I'm going to install the new one. Now here we have new one. This is the part number. It's the same. The longer bolts are from the engine side, and the shorter are on the chassis. The other one is a little tricky. There is not much space for working. And now I'm going to tighten them with Torx 50. After tightening the bolts, I can return the hose from the coolant. I'm going to install this plastic pin here. Next I'm going to raise the vehicle a little, so I can remove the support. And I'm going to lower the vehicle on the ground. So now I can notice that the gap here, it almost 1 finger. I can put 1 finger between the gap. And I'm going to start the engine. And now the vibrations are gone. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.